before I had 30 bands, before I was known. Thinking getting up just to hit up my phone. I left her like she won't leave me alone. Hit her one night and said I gotta go. Man, my diamonds be froze, but I keep it at home. And I can't mess with bros cause they doing the most. Man, I met so much niggas that asked for the most. Met so much niggas that claimed I was broke, yeah. No controlling me. I put that on my life, you ain't folding me. Niggas steady claim they exposing me. They just mad, they ain't take the road as me. Yeah, how you feel? I don't think twice cause I always know the deal. I can't trust nobody cause I know the love ain't real. Niggas steady mad, nigga get a bunch of feels.
Pull up with the drums, you know how we finna do it. Shorty my little baby, she be acting like she stupid. Moving with the pole, mama moving like a hooker. Shooting from the stretch, something like different bookers. I don't have time for a waste man, look like the basement. I got you running and running like basement. You keep on talking and talking too late, man. Moving the night, it's all black like a Haitian. I keep on rocking and rocking the nation. I got the drip, never drown like I'm Jason. I'm steady passing the gas like a station. Fuck up the pin like I'm dropping location. Head gone, we gon' break, wishbone. Spit that fire, Jake Long. He own me like bank loans.
No controlling me. I put that on my life, you ain't folding me. Niggas steady claim they exposing me. They just mad, they ain't take the road as me. Yeah, how you feel? I don't think twice cause I always know the deal. I can't trust nobody cause I know the love ain't real. Niggas steady mad, nigga get a bunch of feels.
Pill poppin', dishing bars at John Stockton. Plug my niggas in, I can't charge for a profit. Cutting loose ends, friendly shit, I had to drop it. The water take bins, but I'm fine with my losses. Nigga, we ready from the get-go. Thought stay on the grind, but we lay low. Cause niggas be biting like tables. I can't fuck with the energy they show. Niggas missed out, not believing. Put the work in like all season. Where they status go, them boys headed all season. Going blow for blow on my league in the season.
Content. Fire alarm went off, guys. Fire alarm went off.
Like a bee, I be stinging. Shorty on my hotline, blingin', ringing. I'm a young rich nigga, had to bring the tings in. And on my life, I got a bad bitch in England. She know what I'm coming to do. Pip pip cheerio. Chopper sounding like theme song, but brain stereo. Booyaka, better move on, moving you. Yeah, I know some real thugs, and they doing you. I'm trying to be up in Texas. I'm a screw it, hey, my bitch, she so fly. She a stewardess, you stew a little. I do a lot, and you do a little. Talking to my fur coat, I'm Dr. Doolittle. Oh, I'm too cold on my life. Yeah, I'm too cold on my life.
Whoa, did it hit? I'll call it.
2 hoes with my wife. My baby said, Daddy, that was one hell of a night.
No controlling me. I put that on my life, you ain't folding me. Niggas steady claim they exposing me. They just mad, they ain't take the road as me. Yeah, how you feel? I don't think twice cause I always know the deal. I can't trust nobody cause I know the love ain't real. Niggas steady mad, nigga get a bunch of feels.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Who's all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of her is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I'm saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coaxin'. She likes to keep the party going. It's got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coaxin'. She likes to keep the party going. It's got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right.
Dead man!
I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my